Hi, in this video I'm going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy Buds. So here is a box. It's just the size of my hand, and on the side here it's got the serial number. There are some information on the side. It tells you this buds can have 6 hours playtime, give you clear code quality, wireless charging, and designed for comfort. So here it is, a sealed underneath, and we can cut out the seals and the box. So I'm just going to open it. There's another one on this side here as well, so I'm just going to cut it open. Try to open it. So there is instruction booklet at the top here. We'll leave it for later. So this is the Samsung Bud. So I'm going to flip it over. There's a bit of weight to this, so I feel a bit heavy. So let's open it. So there it is. So let's take a close up. So it looks like this box is like a charger kind of thing. So you can see it's charging. There must be a charging port. Yep, there is a charging port at the back here, as you can see. So when we charge, we put it in this box, and it will charge up the buds. I'm just gonna open it up, and there it is. So we can see that at the back here there is two gold contact. This will allow the device to get charged. Look like there is another microphone right here and a sensor right here. Then you got the earpiece. So I'm just gonna see if we can pull this one out. So I'm assuming you can also replace this one here, the plastic cover. So I'm gonna give it a test later on, pair it with my phone and see what it looks like, what it sounds like. So it goes down there like that. So it's got different colors. When I take this one out, the light changes. There's also another light down here, it's also flashing. We'll have to read the menu and see what it means before this light flashing. So when I take it out, both buds out. So this one here is showing flash red. Could be an indication that it's low battery. So we can flip this one open. So to tell if it's left or right, we have to look at the back here. This one keeps falling down, so it's not very strong. There it is. So let's see in this box here, what's in this box. So you got some backup and replacement. So in case this one goes old and dirty, you got a replacement. This is rubber, so you can see it's a rubber cover. So let's have a look again with the buds. So that's the rubbers right there. You can also have that replaced as well, so we can kind of like peel out and then replace it. So at the back here there is a lining in guide that we can when we put it back in, make sure that it lines up on the hole, and then we can put it in. So we have a replacement backup. There are 2 of them for each side, so there are 2 for each side. And then in this box here there is a charging white color, so there is the charging cables. So it's got some serial number down here as well. So it's a 1 meter cable. I'll try to plug it in and see if we can charge it up. So this earbuds here costs 250 Australian dollars. So now it's charging this little box here. I assume it's a battery charger, so I must have some kind of battery down here somewhere. So let's see if I put this one back on. So this is the left side, and this is the right side. So the battery is now plugged in. So I'll assume that this light here indicating it is now charging, and when it's complete the light should go green. So that's what inside this box. We can put it back into the box here. And we can take a look at this booklet and see what is inside this booklet. So it's just some instruction, tells you where it is. You got the wingtip, touchpad, charging contacts. So there are 3 charging contacts, 1, 2, 3, and touch sensitive sensor. So it tells you the design of the wingtips, charging case. So this is a charging case. So this light at the front here is a charging case battery indicator. So that's the case battery light indicator. And in here is a earbuds charging indicator light. So this is the indicator light for the case, and the light in here is the indicator for the earbuds. So we can connect these earbuds to your mobile device via Bluetooth. And then we can go to the Galaxy Store or the Play Store and download the Galaxy wearable app, and Toast app will allow you to connect the device and sub the device. And that's it. That's everything inside the box. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Okay, so I've just put the earbuds to my ear. Once you put it up to your ears, your phone will detect it. So I'm just going to allow everything and agreed. So this is notification on earbuds. So it tells you what notification you're getting. So there you're all set. So this is the app that controlling the earbuds. Left hand side, right hand side. Then you got the equalizer. So I have just connected the earbuds to the phone, and it sounds quite loud and quite warm with a very good bass and chirps. So the only thing is, if you put in, if you feel a little bit of pressure if you're not used to it, especially if you've been using different headphones. So here it is. Here's the sound. I'm just going to put up the sound so you can even hear it. It's quite loud. I'll just increase it up to the maximum. So I'm just going to put it next to the microphone, see if you can hear. So that's just coming from the earbuds. And that's all. Thanks for watching this video.